पिछले 7 सालों में सर ने मुझे गिटार और म्यूज़िक के बारे में इतना सिखा दिया कि अब मैं खुद से गाने लिखता हूँ। मैंने 2 गाने लिखे हैं जिसमें से एक रिलीज़ करा है, एक तीसरा भी बन रहा है। हेलो, माय नेम इज़ शाश्वत। आई एम फ्रॉम गुड़गाँव। आई हैव बीन लर्निंग गिटार फ्रॉम ई-गिटार इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द पास्ट 7 or 8 years. I started learning guitar from Chanchal sir. He was the first guitar instructor I ever had, and everything related to music that I've learned is from him, and he's taught me throughout. In the past 8 years or so, me learning guitar, sir properly mentored me and taught me things that I never thought I could play. The best thing about sir is that he deeply looks into your mistakes and tells you how to correct them. This form of teaching with constructive criticism and him helping out, judging where you're wrong and where you can improve, really helps in steady growth. The major boost in my learning came after COVID when everything shifted online. At first I wasn't very interested because of the online thing. Later, when I bought my first electric guitar, I really got into playing it and I really liked it, and after that my performance just grew. I have had many achievements throughout. I have been the lead guitarist of my school band for 4 years. I have earned the award of the best guitarist in my school twice. I have also achieved the highest achievers category in Rock School's grade 6 exam in North India. I've been playing at multiple inter-school events, intra-school events, and for opening ceremonies of guitar academies and music academies. It has helped me reduce the nervousness in front of a camera, in front of a crowd of thousands of people. I would really recommend new learners to just play your heart out into the instrument, because playing guitar is not just about playing cool riffs and performing on stage in front of people, showing off. It's more about your personal growth as well, because when you play on a stage in front of a crowd of say 1000 kids of your school watching you, some of those kids who are in 6th 7th, they're looking up to you. They feel like, yes, I'll be that guy one day. And I have a live example of that. My junior guitarist in my band, Mayuk, he always comes up to me and says, भैया एक दिन मैं आपके जैसा हो जाऊंगा. That's what he said when I used to perform, and after I stopped performing because of my 12th grade, now he's the best guitarist of our school. He's the lead guitarist, and he comes to me, he asks me how I'm playing. I tell him that, dude, you've started playing better than me. And that's something that really touches your heart. When you teach someone a few things and then they come up to you and you're able to say that you started playing better than me, that's a really proud feeling. And the moments that this instrument has given me, nothing else can. Those are the instruments. And that's a painting I made, so yeah, another over there. Thank you, Chanchu sir, for everything, and I'm really looking up for completing the last 2 grades I have left of Rock School after my 12th grade exams. I would really recommend E-Guitar Institute to new learners, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से सर ने, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता था से लेके मैं कहूँगा मुझे ठीक ठाक लेवल पे आता है तक ग्रूम करा है, उस लेवल पे मुझे नहीं लगता कोई और टीचर कर पाएगा. हमारे स्कूल के भी जितने भी बैंड सपोर्टिंग टीचर्स होते हैं उनके साथ भी म्यूज़िक करा है, बट सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस चंचल सर के साथ ही रहा है, क्योंकि वो एक पर्सनल टच के साथ बढ़ाते हैं. एज ए टीचर से ज़्यादा एज ए फ्रेंड सिखाते हैं.